All right, guys, so today I have with me here the Starlink mini. This is basically an unboxing video, but before I start, let me sip some coffee right here. Cheers. Tastes good. All right, so I can see some clipper here that I have to pull. I should have used some knife or scissors. Life would have been easier with it.
One eternity later.
This deserves in the bin. Okay. 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 Look what we've got. Okay, so we have the dish which also serves as the router. It's actually an inbuilt router here. Okay, let me put it here. We have the user manual. This is more or less like an encyclopedia on its own, very plain like that. And we have our cable, and we're going to use to connect. Okay, we have the power adapter here, the power adapter, and we have our mount here with some Allen key inside, which is really amazing. All right, guys, so that is basically what we have in this box. There's nothing left in here again. Okay, so now let's try and see if you can set everything up right here. This, I don't need it, or I might need it. Okay, let's see. This is very lengthy. Wow, I love it. Okay, it's on. So guys, I'm going to take this outside and then I'll connect on my tablet here. So give me a moment, I'll be right back. All right, so I've placed the device outside. Let's go ahead and connect it in the Starlink app. All right, pin the Starlink app right here. I have it downloaded already, so I'll go ahead. I'm not connected to the internet. Okay. Whoa, hasn't been. Okay, here is it. Mini here. I have. Okay. Okay. All right, so it's requesting I connect it to the Starlink instead of my normal internet. Okay, guys, so now we are connected. We are connected. Let me see one more time. Mind you, this is my first time using Starlink, so I'm kind of have a limited knowledge about this, all right? But, you know, I'm still doing it. It's paired successfully. Device a poor signal, internet may be impacted. Okay, actually where I place it, I believe that's the reason why it is indicating that the device has a poor Wi-Fi signal. Let me try something. Oh no, wait. Let me try and check something here. Let's say fast.com. Oh, it's not opening. All right, guys. So I think I really have to go behind the doors and then get this done because I have to go outside again and then position the router, I mean the dish or whatever the name is being given, to a prime place where I'll have access to a very fast internet. All right. But of course, if there is anything that I want to share about later, I'll definitely do another video telling you what I think, my take on this particular Starlink compared to my normal MTN table net. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bis später.